So in this video, we will see how to use pipes in our Angular application. So for that, I'm going to use the date pipe here. So what I'll do is I will create a property. Let's call it joining date. And this would be of type date. Let's give some date to it. Okay. So I've created a new property called joining date. Let's display this property here. Joining date. Okay, so let's go to our web browser and see how this property or how this date looks. So as you can see here, the date looks like this. Not exactly a very good looking date. We would like to format it in a better way, right? So what I'll do is here I'll add the date pipe. Now, how do you add the date pipe, or for that matter, how do you add any pipe? So any built-in pipe in Angular can be added using this pipe symbol. So once you write the pipe symbol, then you can add your pipe over here. So for dates, we have a built-in pipe in Angular called date. We will be adding that here. So this is how it is. If I write date here and then go and check my web browser, okay, it's better, much better than what it was. However, you would want to customize it further, which you can do, and that we will see in the next video. Right now, I'll show you how to use one more pipe, which is, let's say, the uppercase one. So here, let's print the username, and this time we'll try to print the username in all uppercase. So this would be signup form dot get let me just copy paste from here. Okay. And instead of error, we want the value. Okay, so let's see our web browser now. Okay, it shows admin. Now I want to display it all in uppercase. So what I'll do, I will just add a pipe here and write uppercase. That's the name of the pipe that we have to convert any or transform any output to uppercase. So now if I go to my web browser, as you can see, everything is in uppercase. But this has not changed my property. My property, it's still like this with A capital and rest everything is lowercase. Here, just to transform the output, the pipe was used. Just to display it in uppercase, I used the pipe and it worked perfectly fine. So this is how you can use pipes, and there are many built-in pipes available in Angular. Let me show you what all they are. So you can go to the official Angular document site. So that would be angular.io. Let's go to docs, APIs, and here in the filter, I'll write pipe. So when you write pipe, you get a list of all the built-in pipes which are present in Angular. The ones which we have covered are the date pipe and the uppercase one. Okay. However, you can choose any of these. You can go through any of these. Let's just open one. You can go through the description of it, how it is used. Everything is mentioned very clearly in this document. So try all the pipes which are present here, and if you have any difficulty, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section of this video. I will definitely help you. So in the next video, we will see how to make this date in the way that we want. So, we can play around with the formats the way we want, and that we will see in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.